your grass and get your shrubs in shape with the Hedger Joe HJ604C Grass Shear plus Hedge Trimmer from Sun Joe. Now those post-mowing touch-ups in tight spaces can be made fast and easy with Hedger Joe's 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Power up instantly with the push of a button and start shearing or shrubbing without the inconvenience of a gas engine or cord. Hedger Joe's rechargeable battery power makes it eco-friendly and maintenance-free, so you'll never need to deal with gas, oil, costly seasonal tune-ups, or toxic hydrocarbon emissions. Hedger Joe features an interchangeable blade system that easily converts from grass shear to a hedge trimmer. Both the 4-inch grass shear blade and the 6-inch hedge trimmer blade are constructed of durable steel for long-lasting and reliable performance. Hedger Joe weighs just 2.5 pounds, so it's easy to handle and effortless to control whether you're shrubbing or shearing. It also features a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. This dual dynamo will deliver reliable results you can see every time. So when it comes to grooming your yard and garden, go with Joe.
Hi, I'm Griffin Baring, Product Manager for Crescent brand hand tools. I'd like to tell you about 3 new Crescent X6 series products. Every X6 product lets you grip 6 different types of fasteners, so you can work on hex, square, 12-point, E-torque, spline, and even partially rounded hex fasteners with just a single tool. First up is our 7-piece combination wrench set. These combo wrenches have an innovative ratcheting open end and an X6 design box end. The ratcheting open end lets you turn nuts and bolts without ever having to take the wrench off the fastener, even if the fastener is partially damaged. The X6 box end works on 6 different types of fasteners, so these wrenches are ready for anything. Each set comes with a handy storage tray and is available in SAE or metric. Next, the versatile X6 pass-through socket set. The pass-through design works even where deep sockets won't, so you don't need 2 sets of sockets anymore. And remember, these are X6 designed, so each one works on 6 different types of fasteners. This 20-piece set comes in both SAE and metric sizes and includes a convenient storage tray. And this is the 4-in-1 double box ratcheting wrench set. Each wrench has 4 different sizes in one, so you get the power to turn 8 sizes with just this 2-wrench set. Each box end accommodates 2 different sizes of fasteners and then ratchets, so you can turn nuts and bolts without ever removing the wrench. Of course, they also have the great X6 design, so you can get exceptional versatility along with a compact size that conveniently fits in your kitchen drawer or even your glove box. The Crescent X6 series combination wrench set, pass-through socket set, and 4-in-1 double box wrench set, helping make quick work of tough jobs.
Innovative new angle on the pliers wrench. The market's first. With its 15-degree angled handles, it provides more space for fingers and knuckles. It allows you to use 2 tools side by side, no knuckle busting. Fast push-button adjustment that locks into place. 17 adjustment positions to find the perfect fit for all metric and inch sizes up to 1 3/4 inch. Internal cam design allows for quick and easy ratcheting. Non-marring jaws prevent scratching and rounding corners. 10 times hand strength. Forged with the best quality German steel. The new Knipex angle pliers wrench. Knipex, proven quality.
Over 90% of tool users require tools for both hand and power applications. The decision on which tool to use is often made only after arriving at the job site, whereas Craftform Compact puts you in control with a single compact and versatile tool for both types of operations. Craftform Compact makes it as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Push the button on the end of the Craftform handle to reveal 6 different screwdriver bits. The bits are easily removed. The remaining bits are conveniently stored in the handle for future use. 2. The Rapidaptor Quick Release Chuck makes it fast and easy to install the bits, and to remove them just as easily with just one hand. No other tools are required. The free spinning outer ring stabilizes the screwdriver without damage to the skin. 3. Push down the locking collar and the spring load extension is released, and the compact tool becomes a full-size screwdriver. Push down the collar button again until it clicks. Now you can remove the extension and use it as a power tool bit adapter. The extension is easily inserted back into the handle by pushing down on the locking collar. And more, the ergonomic shape of the craft form handle provides better turning power with less effort, whereas patented craft form handle design is proven to reduce user fatigue and increase productivity. Craft Form Compact, another innovation from Wera.
The REC50 has 3 settings: forward, reverse, and neutral. Always keep in neutral when not in use.